Hello adik-adik, this is Raj Kumari. Thanks for using Raj English Corner. I'm very pleased to be here and I look forward to meeting everyone in my class. Saya sangat senang berada di sini dan saya berharap dapat bertemu dengan setiap orang di kelas saya. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Today's topic, adik-adik, is about in the restaurant or at the restaurant. Without further ado, let's get started. So, in and at, adik-adik, are called prepositions of place. Jadi, in and at, adik-adik, disebut prepositions of place. What's a preposition of place? Apa yang dimaksud dengan preposition of place? A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. Preposition of place adalah kata depan yang digunakan untuk merujuk pada tempat di mana sesuatu atau seseorang berada. There are many prepositions of place, adik-adik. Ada banyak prepositions of place. Such as on, di atas, near, di dekat, between, di antara. But today, we are going to study only in and at. Tetapi hari ini, yang akan kita pelajari hanyalah kata depan in dan at, yang di sini akan kita gabungkan dengan location, yaitu tempat. So, what's the difference between in the restaurant or at the restaurant, adik-adik? Should I say in the restaurant or at the restaurant? Jadi, apa perbedaan in the restaurant or at the restaurant, adik-adik? Apakah saya harus mengatakan in the restaurant atau at the restaurant? Well, both options are correct, but they mean slightly different things. At the restaurant means he could be either outside or inside the restaurant, while in the restaurant means she's definitely inside. Ya, kedua opsi itu benar adanya adik-adik, tetapi artinya sedikit berbeda. At the restaurant berarti dia bisa berada di luar atau di dalam restoran, sedangkan in the restaurant berarti dia pasti ada di dalam. The following examples should help you understand why sometimes speakers choose one option over the other. Contoh berikut akan membantu Anda memahami mengapa terkadang pembicara memilih opsi pertama daripada opsi yang kedua. First, let's put things into context. Imagine that you were supposed to meet a friend for lunch and he or she phoned you from the parking lot and asked you, "Where are you?" Option 1. Opsi jawaban pertama. Your answer is, I'm in the restaurant. Pertama-tama, mari kita tempatkan segala sesuatunya ke dalam konteks. Bayangkan, Anda seharusnya bertemu seorang teman untuk makan siang, dan dia menelpon dari lokasi parkir dan bertanya, "Di mana Anda?" Dan jawaban Anda adalah, "I'm in the restaurant." The case is very clear here. What you mean is that you are inside the restaurant. Maybe you are sitting at a table sipping some red wine. Contoh situasi ini adik-adik sangat jelas. Maksud Anda adalah Anda berada di dalam restoran. Mungkin Anda sedang duduk di meja menyeruput anggur merah. Option 2. Where are you? Your answer is, I'm at the restaurant. This case is less clear here. What you mean is that you could either be inside or around the restaurant. Contoh situasi ini kurang jelas adik-adik. Maksud Anda adalah Anda bisa saja sedang berada di dalam atau di sekitar restoran. So you could be sitting at a table or you could be waiting for your friend outside the restaurant, in front of the restaurant, the side of the restaurant, behind the restaurant, or even inside the restaurant. Jadi, Anda bisa saja duduk di meja atau sedang menunggu teman Anda di luar, di depan, di samping, di belakang, atau bahkan di dalam restoran. Jadi adik-adik, bila orang bertanya, "Where are you?" Bila Anda berada di sekitar resto, jawabannya adalah, "I'm at the restaurant." Bila Anda berada di dalam resto, jawabannya adalah, "I'm in the restaurant." Paham ya? Let's dig deeper. Suppose you had arranged to meet someone for lunch somewhere. You arrive in first and go on to wait for him. He calls you on your mobile to say he's on his way and asks you, "Where are you?" Misalkan Anda telah mengatur untuk bertemu seseorang untuk makan siang di suatu tempat. Anda tiba lebih dahulu dan masuk ke resto lebih dahulu dan menunggunya di sana. Dia menelpon Anda di ponsel Anda untuk mengatakan dia masih dalam perjalanan menuju ke tempat Anda dan bertanya, "Kamu di mana?" How would you respond? I'm at the restaurant or I'm in the restaurant. The more natural answer is, I'm at the restaurant. Because he's asking you from a distance by phone, he's not in the vicinity. So adik-adik, even though you are inside the restaurant, but if the person is not in the same building, you still have to say, I'm at the restaurant. Jadi walaupun Anda berada di dalam restoran, tetapi kalau orangnya tidak di dalam gedung yang sama, Anda masih harus mengatakan, I'm at the restaurant. Another case. Suppose you are with a colleague in the lobby of a hotel. You wander off to look for the toilet while he stays behind reading the newspaper. Misalkan Anda bersama seorang rekan di lobi sebuah hotel. Anda berdiri dan keliling mencari toilet, sementara dia tetap duduk di lobi membaca koran. After a few minutes, he calls and asks where you are. Setelah beberapa menit, dia menelpon dan bertanya di mana Anda. Where are you? How would you answer? I'm at the restaurant or I'm in the restaurant. It'd be more natural to say, I'm in the restaurant. Because you are in the same edifice, because you are in the same building, di gedung yang sama. That's it for today, adik-adik. You did great. Good job. Stop the video and try again one more time, and one more time, and one more time. Hentikan video dan cobalah sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi, dan sekali lagi. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered the topic. Dan jangan lanjut ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now adik-adik. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you loads.